How to get 10,000 score on Block Blast. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get 10,000 score on Block Blast. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So doing this is really simple. You'll need to follow basic tricks, or you can simply keep on playing and you'll get better as you play. So here you might notice some patterns that I follow, and one of the simplest way is by getting different combos. So as you can see, the more combos I get, the higher the score. So as you can see, I'm getting more combos, combo 6, and my score keeps on skyrocketing. So that's one way of getting your score. So if you can't get any combos, make sure that you do not leave any spaces which cannot be filled. So as you can see right here is a square. I'm just leaving that because sometimes we do get a square block. So in that case you can leave some spaces like this. In other cases where do not try to leave any unorthodox or some uneven spaces. So you can keep on playing this game like this and you will get good combos. So the more combos you get, the higher the score becomes, and the higher the score becomes, the greater the fun it is. So yeah, you can keep on playing the game like this, get more combos, and you will get it to 10,000 eventually. And it's not that hard. The more you play, the better you get, as I said earlier. So right here, if I place it like this, you will notice that there is an empty space in between, and that's what we need to avoid. So try to avoid as much small spaces as possible. Make sure there is enough space for everything, and you can keep on playing like this. And yeah, eventually, as I said, you will get to 10,000. And yeah, playing this game is that simple. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.